Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a common issue that many of you might have encountered, an engine burning oil. In this video, we'll explore the symptoms, causes, and remedies for this problem. So, let's get started. An engine burning oil is a common problem that many drivers face. It occurs when the engine consumes more oil than it should, resulting in decreased performance and potential damage to the engine. There are several symptoms, causes, and remedies to consider when dealing with an engine that burns oil. When an engine starts burning oil, it's a sign of an underlying issue that requires attention. Understanding these aspects can help you diagnose the problem and take appropriate measures to address it. Symptoms. The first step in diagnosing an engine burning oil is recognizing the symptoms. Here are a few signs to watch out for. 1. Excessive blue exhaust smoke. If you notice thick, bluish smoke coming from your exhaust pipe, especially during acceleration, it's a clear indication of burning oil. This is the most common symptom of an engine burning oil. Blue smoke indicates that oil is being burned in the combustion chamber. 2. Increased oil consumption. Keep an eye on your oil levels. If you find yourself frequently adding oil between regular oil changes, it could be a sign that your engine is burning oil. 3. Fouled spark plugs. Oil burning can lead to fouled spark plugs, resulting in misfires, rough idling, or a decrease in engine performance. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. An engine that burns oil will consume more fuel than usual, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. 5. Engine performance issues. An engine that burns oil may experience decreased power, acceleration, and overall performance. 6. Oil leaks. If an engine is burning oil, it may also leak oil from various parts of the engine. 7. Strong smell of burning oil. You may detect a distinct odor of burning oil inside or outside the vehicle, especially after extended periods of driving. Causes. Now that we've identified the symptoms, let's explore the common causes behind an engine burning oil. 1. Worn piston rings. Over time, piston rings can wear out, allowing oil to seep into the combustion chamber and burn along with the fuel. Piston rings are responsible for sealing the combustion chamber and preventing oil from entering the combustion process. If they become worn or damaged, oil can leak into the combustion chamber and be burned. 2. Valve seal leakage. Faulty valve seals can cause oil to leak into the combustion chamber, leading to oil burning. Valve stem seals prevent oil from entering the combustion chamber through the intake and exhaust valves. If they become worn or damaged, oil can leak into the combustion chamber and be burned. 3. PCV system issues. A malfunctioning positive crankcase ventilation or PCV system can disrupt the proper flow of gases, resulting in oil being burned instead of being recirculated. The PCV valve regulates the flow of gases between the crankcase and the intake manifold. If it becomes faulty, it can cause excessive pressure in the crankcase, leading to oil leaks and burning. 4. Overfilling of oil. Overfilling the engine with oil can cause it to burn more oil than necessary. 5. Cylinder wall damage. Damage to the cylinder walls, such as scratches or scoring, can allow oil to bypass the piston rings, resulting in oil burning. Remedies. Now that we understand the symptoms and causes, let's discuss some remedies to address an engine burning oil. 1. Regular oil changes. Maintaining a consistent oil change schedule with high-quality oil can help prevent oil breakdown and reduce the chances of oil burning. Ensure that the engine oil is not overfilled, as this can cause the engine to burn more oil than necessary. 2. Fixing worn piston rings. If worn piston rings are the culprit, a comprehensive engine rebuild or repair may be necessary to replace them. Worn piston rings need to be replaced to prevent oil from entering the combustion chamber. 3. Valve seal replacement. Faulty valve seals can be replaced to prevent oil leakage into the combustion chamber. 4. PCV system maintenance. Regularly inspect and clean the PCV system to ensure proper functioning and prevent oil burning. 5. Cylinder wall resurfacing. In cases of cylinder wall damage, the engine block may need to be machined or resurfaced to restore a proper sealing surface. This is typically performed during an engine overhaul. And that's a wrap on our discussion about the symptoms, causes, and remedies of an engine's burning oil. Remember, if you notice any of the symptoms we mentioned, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage to your engine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and keep those engines running smoothly.